comments? Yes, please.
Congratulations for you.
Thank you, sir.
I have the opportunity to visit Louisiana and Texas, and go from Louisiana to Texas and come back, and really was impressed about all the variety of trees and plantation, rivers, and immediately I think about the Amazonia. Do you have a program to conserve this variety of species in the Mississippi River? Because this really is like the Amazonia of in Brazil. It's not the same exactly. Amazonia is more important, but anyway, maybe you have a program to this.
Yes.
That could be a model for.
We do actually, and you mentioned this yesterday, and I admire how much it impressed upon you, the diversity there. It is an incredible region. The United States is vast, really. I mean, geographically, environmentally, and the Mississippi Delta is an incredible amount of diversity. Temperate, humid forests exist there, into Texas, the plains. It's a remarkable area on the planet for sure. The Center for Plant Conservation Network, the ideal is that it's distributed throughout our region of concern and includes those regions. The U.S. Southeast, which is partially responsible for that, has one of the best coordinated regional programs, certainly within our network, and I would argue within the world. They focus on the Southeastern Partners for Plant Conservation, and that's centered in the U.S. state of Georgia. But again, affecting conservation outcomes there. There's a remarkable amount of plant diversity in that region. Alan Weekly, who's a U.S. taxonomist and biogeographer, has highlighted this diversity well. And in Texas, we also have an incredible amount of diversity and a remarkable challenge there. The U.S. is known to many of us for the advent of the national park system, which is used as a model around the world. And these public lands hold a large number of species. Texas, on the other hand, though, has, I believe, and Peter, you might know the actual number, I think it's over 98% of the land in the state of Texas, which is a huge state, is all privately held. And so there are challenges that exist there with coordinating conservation efforts with private landowners to affect conservation outcomes. It's similar to what Lori had described in the city of Los Angeles of working with private homeowners to manage biodiversity in those regions. The entire state of Texas has a similar challenge. So there are efforts going on, and like you, we recognize the incredible value of that region, the biodiversity and the culture that exists in that part of our world is very exciting and worth saving.